Hello, I am the engineer of Luckeep X. Now we teach you how to assemble this part. Before assemble the bike, pay attention to the notice on the cutting box. After open the box, check the accessory box inside and take out the bikes. Here we suggest there is still 2 people to take out the bike. The bike is heavy. Now we open the accessory box. We check all the accessories one by one. You will find the charger, the manual sheet of the charger, pedal, and the reflector on the front fold, and the two keys, speedometer manual sheet, and the bike manual sheet. And this is the extra accessory for the bike. It's used for the speedometer, the rubber. And this is the nurse used on the front view. On the front view, there's the axis of the front view here. And you will see the battery here, which used on the front. Both the front fender and rear fender are here. Now we take out the front fender. After removing the packages, first step to assemble the handlebar. There is a safety clip here, so before assemble you need to put it inside. Now use the Allen wrench from the two keys. Loosen the screws here. First we loosen the screws in the speedometer. We put it back to the handlebar. Here the screw do not fit it tight, and adjust the handlebar to the angle which is suitable for your body. Put the handlebar in the middle. Now we release the screws. Now we adjust the speedometer to the right angle and fix the screw on the base, and then fix the screw on the speedometer. Whatever problems you meet when you assemble in the bike, please contact us. Here we have the contact information, so you can contact us directly. No need to contact Amazon's after sales service. Now we'll start to assemble the front fender. First we loosen the screw on the front fender. These screws are extra plugs. We already have the screws fixed on the front fender. We put the headlight on here first and the front fender. Put them together. Now use the screws to fix it and fix it tightly here. This axis is only to protect the front fold when we were shipping, so this is no use, we can remove it. Now we use this toolkit to loosen the screw on the front fork. Now we remove the axis in the front fork. Now we remove the red color plastic rubber on the front brake clip. Now we take out the axis of the front view. On this side we can see a smaller ring here. This small ring is in this side with this, and this is with the bigger ring is on the another side of the view. Now we use the axis to get into the front view and fix it like this. First, we do not fix these caps tightly. Between these two creases, we need to have some space to put the front fold in. In the right side, also keep some space here. This is for the front fold put in. Now we put the front wheel in, and this should be fit in properly. This clip should be fit inside here like this. Also the same on the right side, put this clip inside this hole. Now we use the error wrench 15 to tighten the screw. Now we assemble the reflector. Remove the sticker here. Put it inside the stick. Another side. Now we assemble the pedals. And this is the R. Represents the right side. And use the error wrench 15 to fix it. And here L represents the left on the pedal. We lose the clip on the folding. Now we can put the battery in and use the key to fix it. The battery key, we have the 3 steps here. On the first step, this metal button inside, then we can take out the battery. We turn it to the right side. Now the battery is fixed and the key can take out. And the first step is like we put the key on the right side. Now the key can fit on the bike and then take it out. Now we start the bike. First press key to unlock the bike and press key 2 times. Now we press this key to start the speedometer. And this is the different speed level. Press this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this is the headlight. This is the direction light. Left, right. And this is the horn. This is the throttle. How to connect Luckeep color display to your phone with the app. Search for Bike Pro in the App Store. Download it to your phone and register an account. Turn on Luckeep X1. Press the plus and minus key at the same time to enter the setting. Scroll down and select Bluetooth connection. Open the Bike Pro and sign in. Select pairing and scan to pair. Scan the QR code shown on the display. Give your e-bike a nickname. Then select confirm. Once the app has been paired and connected, you can select more to change the preference of your e-bike, such as assistant level, auto power off, speed limit, and more. To return the main screen, now you can start a nice trip.